Use these 4 useful hacks to quickly build your email list from scratch. Email marketing is one of the most powerful tools to achieve your business goals. But for this type of marketing, you may need a list. Have you heard the phrase money is on the list? Yeah, it's true. It's the email list which is one of the most valuable assets of your business. Worried you don't have one? Relax. If you truly want to build your own email list from scratch, you are at the right place. In this video, we'll delve into 4 amazing hacks to help you create your email list from zero. So let's dig in. The very first thing you need to build your email list is to make your accounts and sign up for an email sending platform. Or you can say, sign up for email marketing services tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, Flowdesk, Klaviyo, and the list goes on. But what's your job here? Do your research to find the best platform that suits your needs within your budget or a free tool. Also, check out the options like segmentation, conditional sending, and all other stuff that you want for your email list. Once you are done with this all, the next thing is to create a valuable freebie. What does it mean? Give your valuable piece of content in exchange for your viewer's email address on your website. Isn't it interesting? A win-win situation for both. That's why it's also called a lead magnet. What's best is that freebies are completely customizable for every business and every niche. No matter if your business is about skincare, jewelry, or blogging, you can offer a free sample, a guide, a catalog, or anything to your audience. Now the third hack is a day zero autoresponder or welcome sequence. It's the automatic email that is sent out immediately when a new subscriber signs up, just like a confirmation email, a welcome or thank you email. And guess what? It's a powerful way to engage subscribers from the moment they sign up, ensuring they stick around and convert to loyal customers. Also, you can use an opt-in campaign to give users the option to unsubscribe whenever they want. Surprisingly, this builds more trust. Lastly, you can use a pop-up invitation on your website or boost incentives in your newsletter. Moreover, promote your freebies on social media like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Or post your content in your stories and add the link to your bio. In this way, your email list will grow when people click on the link and sign up using their emails. Along with doing all this, you can use free email extracting extensions like Email Extractor or Email Exporter on your search engines to find the neat emails of your audience. Use these amazing hacks to build your email list from zero, focus on your email marketing, and see tremendous growth in your business success. Visit Woopit to get the top email marketing services.